Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to change or turn your FG tail lights into clear tail lights for minimal effort and low cost. You can use multi-tool, it's probably the fastest, or you can use a Dremel, it'll just take a long time, and some black sealant of some kind. Don't have to be anything too crazy, but yep. Basically all you got to do is just cut along the edge of the lens here. It should just pry off, so we'll get started on that. So we're just cutting along here. Try not to go too deep. It's pretty hard to damage a lens though, unless you fucking send it all the way in. Alright, now get yourself something. Chisel, flat blade, whatever, and should just be able to gently pry it off. It'll just pop out like that, nice and easy. And then the next part, real easy. Just pop your fucking Jesus. Pop your old fucking tail light globe out, and again, chisel, flat blade, whatever, just pry it up against there, and you can pretty much just do that, and then she's out. From there, just clean up all the the melted plastic and stuff, and then just get a nice clean surface. Alright, once you got it all cleaned up, nice surface, you can basically just stick it back on in position with some tape. Get it lined up as close as you can to the cuts, and then get your silicone and just fucking run a bead and should be right. I generally wait like an hour just for all this to dry before you take the tape off, and then do that last little bit just so you don't fucking pull the lens back off. But yeah, I would also recommend not sitting it face down, putting a towel down or something, but this is going on a drift car, so I don't really care. It's gonna get messed up anyway, so I'll get back to you when it's ready to do the last finishing touches. Now when you're done, you should have something nice like this. It'll obviously look better with bumper, but this is a track car, so bumper's staying off.